But now I'm reading backwards and you are out of print. Whatever's true today, you'll be singing about tomorrow. When your voice is gone, you will come to me to borrow mine, and I'll say, where were you yesterday? A subtle trace of something that was right